While you were having fun walking in the forest, suddenly you heard this sound. This is the lyrebird, a bird from Australia that can imitate any sound around it. Even the sound of a door camera, a car alarm, and even the sound of rain. It imitates with such precision, it can even outwit humans. All that sound from just one little beat. It mimics to attract mates, protect territory, and even trick enemies. And we learned all that just by listening to nature. If these birds can imitate the world, imagine what else we don't know about the wild. Subscribe now and explore the hidden wonders.